I'm gonna unbox it live. That was different, but normally don't do as good unboxings. This is my first one on this channel, so my knowledge. I'll edit that out. Some camera stuff I bought from Amazon. It's a mystery box, pretty much. So enjoy. I love when boxes come individually packaged. These are the most two things I needed for my channel, actually. It's let me show you. It's the most things I recommend for my channel. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, this feels good. This is the camera cage I ordered. This is the camera cage I ordered like a day ago or so for my Sony A7. So if I want to mount some new stuff to it, that's pretty good. I got that at a cheap price, which I'll be showing like right here. Cheap price I got that for. It's gonna be a super quick review. Not extensive review. Extensive review will come out later tonight. If you guys still around, subscribe. Please subscribe down below, please. I'm struggling out here, okay? Woo. What is this? I forgot actually. Woo. Let me see. Double boxed. Ooh. Juicy, juicy, juicy. Alright, extensive. Oh my god. Are you serious? Ah! Double boxed. Beautiful. That's what I want. Double box. Alright. Double box. Something slight. Something nice. Oh. Oh. Really? Okay. I didn't think I was getting this today, but great, and I can go record some fucking videos. I bought a hand stabilizer from Amazon, and it actually came in with a mount. Ooh, am I supposed to take this off? Make sure it's off. Make sure that comes off. It's for a camera, I believe. It's for, what did I do? Okay, whatever. I'll fix it in a second. Let's see. Ah! Okay. I feel like this is all too much. Not used to unboxings on the channel, so it's pretty different. Alright. There's a horseshoe mount. Okay, this is what I was looking for. This part individually. I have two cold shoe mounts. It's like a cold shoe mount right here. I'll do a review on this. I'll let you guys know if it's good or not. That's what I do. I'll let you know if it's good or not, so subscribe. 20-30 minutes, I'll do an extensive review on it. And what I like and what I don't like. I'm trying to figure out how to put this back together. There we go. Alright. And this, I believe, is like a sliding one. Yeah. But this looks pretty legit. The GoPro mount. Come on, there we go. GoPro mount. Looks pretty good. Everything came in great. Alright, that's the video for today. Thank you for really unboxing things with me. And alright, I'm out. Peace. Like, oh man. You always ask me, man, what is your favorite unboxing? And I'm like, I don't even know. I get so much shit in the mail. Should I do this more or no? Because I know people hate looking at this perspective and like, oh, Keo, what the fuck you be doing? I'm like, ah, man, come on. So, that's that. I'm going to post a picture on Twitter. So follow my Twitter. I do a lot of updates on videos. And this helped me advance my content. Literally. I do a lot of updates on there. Like a lot, okay? Like, so much. I tell you guys exactly when I'm uploading a new video or if I'm not. So, like, I'm very vocal about it. I'm like, yeah, new video goes up in like 30 or, you know. I really, really, really do. So, okay. Just let that be out the way. All right. See you. Peace.